Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here it is very good opportunity to the candidates who wants to do the PhD in the IIT. It is Indian Institute of Technology, Guwahati. So in this college, here the PhD admission notification was released for the December 2020 session. And now you can check here, applications are to be submitted online. If you are applying to more than one department or center, then you can apply with the same registration. So before applying, we have to carefully go through the links and the instructions, all these things. Coming to the important dates here, application process starting date is the 20th October 2020 and the closing date is the 10th November 2020. Fine. And so before going into the further details and all, first of all, we will see the what are the departments are there from where the PhD vacant seats are there. So the available areas of research and the department or center. So computer science and engineering, electronics and electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, civil, biosciences and bioengineering, chemical engineering, design, physics, chemistry, mathematics, humanities and social sciences. So in the humanities and social sciences, archaeology, English, linguistics and psychology, sociology, and energy, environment, nanotechnology, rural technology, linguistic science and technology. So total these are the different departments, guys, so where the PhD vacant seats are announced from this one. And coming to this fellowship, the fellowship will be offered to each and everybody if you want selected here. Why? Because different fellowship programs are there. So for accurate details, you may please go through the official website of this one. Anyhow, I will provide this link in the description box of this video. And coming to the PhD admission types, here the regular and full-time and sponsored and full-time and employed and part-time, self-financed and full-time, self-financed and part-time, project staff and full-time, project staff and part-time, external and part-time, self-financed and full-time foreign students. So these many, almost 6 to 7 different types of PhD admissions are there. So you may take any one of the thing, guys. And if you want selected for the full-time PhD here, then you are going to get some institute fellowship will be there. See, for the regular and full-time, the financial assistantship or scholarship from the institute or the fellowship from external funding agency is granted to them as per its governing rules and subject to the satisfactory academic progress and satisfactory performance in the assigned teaching assistant duty. So the assistantship will be provided if you got selected under the regular and full time, and for remaining categories also you may check. So if you want to do the part time, then you may go to this category, what are the things you have to submit at the time of admissions or something else. Fine. So these are the details regarding this one, guys. And coming to the eligibility requirements for applying to the PhD program, so for receiving assistantship in the PhD program in all disciplines, a candidate must have the minimum qualifying postgraduate degree in the basic science or graduate postgraduate degree in professional course selected through a process described through any one of the following. Okay, either NET or UGC, IIT, ISC or IISc or IIIT, etc. In selection process through the national level examinations conducted by the MHRD and its agencies. And eligibility requirement for applying to the PhD program. So these eligibilities are for the assistantship from these agencies, just like the UGC and the MHRD. And the normal eligibility criteria for the PhD, I mean for getting the admission into the PhD or for applying the PhD programs, is a master's degree or else a bachelor's degree. Okay, so or else a candidate having MSc degree with mathematics. So here for each and every department, the qualifications or the eligibility is required here, mentioned here, PhD in engineering and in design. Fine. So in sciences, so like that, mostly the master's degree is mentioned. If you want to get the assistantship, then the qualification of the NET or some other examinations must be there. So once if you qualified under the regular and full time, then the institute fellowship or some teaching assistantship will be provided to you. So for more details, I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So please go through this one, guys. And please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for PhDs in the IIT colleges, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam. Here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi guys, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. This video is especially for the candidates UGC NET Electronic Science. So the people who are going to write the exam in this 5th November 2020, here the Unacademy is providing the crash course that is titled as Crash Course on Electronic Science through Multiple Choice Questions. This course is going to start from October 1st onwards, and by this month end, the course is going to be finished. And by the starting of the November month, you will be ready with the class PDFs, and all the 10 units will be explained in brief. That means the important concepts, formulas, points, definitions, expressions, all these things we are going to discuss in this crash course, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the JRF in this 2020, guys. Okay, so apart from this one, the Unacademy is also providing the full course or else a complete course for the electronic science who are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months or the upcoming years. So here the different subscription plans are there. That is 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So out of all these months, if you want to take the crash course, then you may prefer this 1 month, or else if you are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months, you may take the 3 months, 6 months, 12 months or the 24 months. But if you are planning to take the subscription plans, then use my referral code, that is AshwiniK. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay. So apart from these plans here, before going to take all these things, first of all, refer to my Unacademy profile link. Okay, so in my profiling, that I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you once enter into my profile link, then you may check down. That means here the special classes are available. Special classes are the free to everybody. Okay, so just click on the see all. Then whatever the special classes I took, that means the free classes I took, that all these classes you can access, guys. Okay, so career opportunity with UGC or non-UGC NET Electronic Science, and regarding the previous year questions, here the 2017, 2018 July and December 2018, and the June and December 2019, all these questions are discussed here, and these classes are completely free. Okay, so first check the way of explanation whether you are understanding here or not, and then you prefer the subscription plans, guys. Okay, so it is the update that I want to provide to the candidates belongs to the UGC NET Electronic Science. And for more updates, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. And please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are going to give the exam for the UGC NET Electronic Science. Thank you, guys.